Wait, what? You have plants but you don't have horticultural charcoal? That's like going to the jungle without mosquito repellent.
There is no excuse because it is so easy to use. You just put a layer of charcoal on the soil and that's pretty much it. It prevents pests like mosquitoes and flies from laying eggs onto the soil, retains moisture so your plant won't dry out as fast, and enhances the soil health and activity.
Mixing it into your soil also benefits your plant with aeration and nutrient retention. Your plants need you. Help them. Save yourself from mosquitoes and flies.
And be quick because there's a 10% discount upon your first purchase.